guys, I'm gonna be playing Animal Jam. My name is Animal Lab 782 if you wanna add me. So wait, it's just loading. So like, if you never knew this, like these are if your buddies are online, yeah. Well, I'm gonna go to Nile. Wait a minute, it's just like loading. Okay. These are like outfits, if you want. Just loading. Oh, there it is. Now, because I am a penguin, I am going to go to a penguins only party. Where is it now? No, don't tell me it's off. No! Anyways, I'll show you my den. Okay? This is my den. Like, you can type in anything, like, I'll type in hi, H-I, send. Wait a minute, this was such a fail. Hi. There, you see? I typed in hi. Anyway, these are plushies. This is my penguin. I'm not a member. Anyways, these are plushies. I don't know how much I have. That is a fail bed because I like traded apart. So I'm just gonna decorate it. Okay. Oh look, there's a little stool. I'm going to put the stool here. And so look, now I can look. Oh, and your emotions on this. Well, these are plushies, as I told you. Look, you can have like motions like sit that way, or that way, or even that way. Or you can dance. That's how a penguin dances. This is how a penguin plays. Okay. These are like like ice cream. Oh, these are like, oh, and there are like your buddies. This is my cousin, Animal Lover. Yeah. Now let's go around the world. Let's go to Crystal Sands. This is Crystal Sands. Look, you can go down slides. Ugh. Sorry, that usually happens. Anyways, look, you can go down the slide. There are 3 different slides. Again, I'm so sorry. There's 3 different slides. I just went down this one. You see, and you land out here. And if you go on the other one, okay. It's this one. That's 2 slides. And I'm just going to show you 3 slides. Actually 4. 4 slides. This is my friend Chicken. She had boyfriend troubles, but we helped her. Look, I'm going to type in something. Hi. Oh, I have 2, okay? You can have more if you're a member, but I only have 2. I have that one, and I have a wolf.
And I have a wolf for...
Shush! Sorry, that was just my sister. Don't cry. Oh. Don't cry. Just for him. Forgot about him. Anyways, I'm going to be back into my lovely penguin. Oh, I will show you a party called the Summer Carnival. Okay. I'm going to make a candy floss. and you can only and when you first go here, you get 500, and you get tickets by playing. And I'm gonna make a candy cane. Gonna choose that one. Gonna do pink. I'm gonna do my country's flag, which is yellow, green, red. I'm not gonna tell you it. I'm not gonna tell you it. Okay. And you can only make 3 colors. And now it's gonna be following you. Anyways, thank you for watching. Goodbye.